Barton, what are we installing today?
We have a rear brake light to replace this shit here.
Replace that shit. We're just figuring out where is it gonna come out of.
It's gonna come out of one of these two pluggy things. Either this rubber plug or this one.
Yeah.
And the wires will go back here to the main setup.
Yeah. Are you taking the whole rear diffuser off?
No, just making space to work.
So the harness for the brake light is that guy right there. I'm just gonna strip some of the electrical tape so we can actually get a hold of some of the wires. And then we're just gonna splice it to them, connect the wires that are gonna come from there to those, electrical taping back up, and should be good to go. Okay, so for wiring, black wires are ground, brown one is the, I believe, connects to the red wire, and the black and white wire connects to the green wire. So while I figured out the harness there, Brian got the light actually in there. All you have to do is take this out, and it's held by those two clips, if the camera focuses. Probably not. Here. So it's held by those two clips like that. Once those are out, those will pop out.
No.
So we ran the cables to that little hole there. There they are, and they're gonna go back there. What me and Brian did is got the light through, and all it is a few screws back there. Now we're just gonna wire it up. Ready, Brian?
Yeah, ready, Brian. Oh, wow. Oh, that's great. Look at that. Let me remove the film. Wow. Holy, do it again. Yeah, that's amazing.
One more time. So basically, instead of grounding it to the black wire, I just ground it right here to the chassis. As for the rest of the wires, the red goes to the brown and the green goes to the black and white wire. And after that, I just put electrical tape on them. And yeah, everything works. Looks pretty clean. That's what it looks like.
That's the smoked color lens.
Smoke color lens. And yeah,